Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is ratio. So friends, question number 1 is today. A sum of money is to be distributed among A, B, C, D in a proportion of 5:2:4:3. If C gets Rs 1000 more than D, what is B share? So our target to find what is B shares. We have 4 options. Option number 1 is rupees 500. Option number B, rupees 1500. Option C is rupees 2000 and D is none of these. So now see here, C gets Rs 1000 more than D. Now see here, 4 person A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D, right? And his ratio is 5:4:3. 5:4:3. C gets 1000 more than D. C gets 1000 more than D, right? So now see here, let 5x ratio 2x ratio 4x ratio 3, right? C gets more than 4x minus 3x is equal to rupees 1000, right? Because C gets more than D, so 4x minus 3x, 4x minus 3x will be x is equal to 1000 rupees 1000. Our target to find what is B share, right? So B share is 2x. We have x is equal to rupees 1000, so 2x is equal to 2 into x, 2 into 1000. 2x means 2 into 1000, so B share is Rs 2000 rupees 2000. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. See here once again friends, A share is 5x, B share is 2x, C share is 4x and D share is 3x. C gets 1000 more than D. C gets 1000 more than C. So 4x minus 3x is equal to rupees 1000, right? 4x minus 3x is equal to Ax is equal to rupees 1000. So our target to find B share. B share is 2x. So 2x is equal to 2 into 1000 because x is equal to 1000. So B share is rupees 2000. Okay, so option number C is the correct answer. Move to question number 2. Question number 2. Seats for mathematics, physics and biology in a school are in the ratio 5:7:8. There is a proposal to increase these seats by 40%, 50% and 75% respectively. What will be the ratio of increased seat? Friends, read once again, right? Seats for mathematics, physics and biology in a school are in ratio 5:7:8, right? Ratio is 5:7:8 of mathematics, physics and biology. There is a proposal to increase these seats by 40%. Mathematics is 40% and physics is 50% and 75% of physics, right? So our target to find after increasing what will be ratio after increasing seats. So now see here, mathematics, and another is mathematics, physics and biology. This ratio is 5:7:8 and increase seats increase 40%, 50% and 75%, right? After increasing it will be 100 is 5 and 100 is 7 and 100 is 8. So after increase it will be 140%, right? 100 plus 40 is 140% and ratio 150% and ratio after increasing 170%, because this is 100%, right? After increase 75% it will be 175% of 8 and of 7 and of 5. So we can write age only 14, 1.4, because 140%, so 20 here, so it will be point after 2 digit, before 2 digit, right? 1.4 and this will be 1.5 and this will be 1.75, right? So calculate it. 14 into 5 it will be 70, right? And 1 point here, so only 7 into 15 into 7 it will be 105 and point is here, so it will be point here. 175 into 8 it will be see here, 8 5 ja 40, 0, 8 7 ja 56 remaining 4 it will be 60, again 0 remaining is 6, so 8 1 ja 8 and 6 it will be 14. So point is up before 2 digit. So friends, point is here, right? So we can remove because no value of 0 after point, right? We can write age here, this is in ratio, right? So we can write age 21/2, 21/2, because 10.5 just if we remove it will be 10, right? So it is 21/2, right? Now we will remove this, right? So 2 into 14, 2 into 7 it will be 14, ratio 21, and 2 into 14 it will be 28. Now 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21 ratio, and 7 4 ja 28. So our answer is after increasing 2 ratio 3 ratio and 4. So this is answer of this question. Option number A is the correct answer, right? Option number A is the correct answer. See here once again friends, mathematics 5, physics 7 and biology is 8. This is increase 40%, this is 100% and 40% it will be 140%. We can write age 1.4, right? 7 increase 50%, so it will be 1.5, 150%. So we can write age 1.5. 8 increasing 75%, so we can write age 175% and 1.75. So after calculate 14 5 ja 70 and point here, so only 7. 15 7 ja 105, 15 7 ja 105. We can write as 21/2 because 10.5 we can write as 21/2, and 1.75 into 8 it will be 14, right? So 2 into 7 it will be 14 and 21 is here, and 2 into 14 will be 28. After calculate we found ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. So option number A is the correct answer. So move to question number 3. Question number 3. In a mixture 60 liters, the ratio of milk and water 2 ratio 1. If his ratio is 2b 1 ratio 2, 2b 1 ratio 2, then the quantity of water to be further added is. So our target to find after ratio 1 ratio 2 how much add water. So now see here, mixture of 60 liter milk and water ratio is mixture of ratio of milk and water. Milk and water. Milk and water is 2 ratio 1, right? And we have 4 options. Option A is 20 liters, option B is 30 liters, and option C is 40 liters, and option D is 60 liters. So which answer is correct? Which option is correct? So now see here, 2 ratio 1 is equal to mixture of 60 liter. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 60, right? So 3 20 ja 60. So 1 unit is 20. 22 ja 40. So milk is 40. 21 ja 20 plus 20. So it will be 60. So milk is 40 liter and water is 20 liter, right? Now see here, new ratio is 1 ratio 2. See here friends, this is milk and this is water. This is milk and this is water. Milk is 40 liter. Milk is 40 liter, right? Water, 1 unit is 40 liter. So water will be 80 liter, right? See here once again, milk is, see here, this is milk, right? And this is water. Milk quantity is 40 liter and water quantity is 20 liter. 40 plus 20, this is 60 liter. Total is 60 liter. Mixture is 60 liter, right? New ratio is after added some water, 1 ratio 2, right? So milk is 40 liter, water is added. After water is added, it will be 2. So 42 is 80, right? So 20 liter is already. So 80 minus 20, it will be 60 liter. So after added 60 liter, ratio will be 1 ratio 2. So our answer is 60 liter. Water after added it will be 1 ratio 2 and water will be 60 liter. So our answer is 60 liter, right? So option number, which option number is correct? Option number D is the correct answer. So thanks friends for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend who is preparing examination. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.